Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to log in to Instacart app. First, open the Instacart app on your phone. On the home screen, tap Sign Up or Log In. Next, enter your registered email address or phone number. Instacart will send you a 6-digit verification code. Type in that code to continue. Instacart uses this code instead of a password for added security. You can also choose to log in using your Google or Facebook account if you've linked it before. And that's it. You're now logged in and ready to start using Instacart. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.